After 70 long years in Babylon, God moved the heart of a powerful king. One morning, King Cyrus of Persia felt a stirring he couldn't explain, a call from the God of heaven. He stood before his people and declared, "The Lord has told me to rebuild his temple in Jerusalem. Anyone who belongs to him, go home." The news spread like wildfire. Families wept with joy, neighbors hugged, and the streets of Babylon filled with excitement. People began to pack scrolls, tools, blankets, even musical instruments. For the first time in generations, they were going home. King Cyrus even opened the royal treasury and returned the sacred gold and silver vessels that Nebuchadnezzar had once taken from God's temple. Over 5,000 shimmering treasures restored to their rightful place. Leading this great journey was Zerubbabel, a wise and faithful man chosen to rebuild what was lost. With priests, singers, and families from every tribe, they set out across deserts and valleys, singing songs of hope as the sun rose before them. When at last they reached Jerusalem, their eyes filled with both sorrow and wonder. The city lay in ruins, the temple nothing but broken stones. Yet their hearts were strong. Among the rubble, they gathered together, lifted their hands to heaven, and praised the Lord, saying, "He has brought us home." In that moment, the promise was fulfilled, and a new beginning had begun. A nation reborn, a people restored, ready to rebuild the house of their God.